Kyanite. That is the name of this stone that you see me working with here. So there are many different types of kyanite, and this one happens to be blue kyanite, but there's like black kyanite, orange, green, and others. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know some of the benefits of using kyanite and wearing it and adding it to your jewelry collection. Some of the key words they talk about this stone having is how it can be like an inner bridge, linking the physical to the spiritual. It can enhance your psychic abilities and help you to connect with nature, as well as increasing your telepathy and your empathy. It's a really great healing stone that is known to cleanse and align all the chakras. It's actually one of those stones that doesn't have to be cleansed on its own, and pairing it with copper, which is one of my favorite metals to work with, is also amazing because copper is known for channeling and grounding higher vibrations and conducting and enhancing the energies of the stones that it's paired with. So yeah, I recommend you all give kyanite a chance, as well as copper. Add them to your jewelry collection, add them around your home, to your meditative space, and this is a beautiful piece. I incorporated a Coptic cross with it as well, and yes, that's it.